Alright, we're out here trying to teach this retard how to string a pole. Here we go. Look at him over there just reeling it in. Gotta get it tight like his mom wish it was. You know how he be. Louis V going on Facebook.
I was gonna say, just let the string come to you. Just stand there and reel. And
Oh, I'm definitely putting this on YouTube.
No.
Yeah, I am.
No.
Motherfucker, this shit right here is going on YouTube.
Don't be putting me in there.
Genuine. Yeah.
Push your ass in the fucking pond again.
Yeah,
This ain't no pond, guys. This is a river.
it's not reeling, is it?
Where's the river? Where?
Where? This is the river. See?
Where?
The leaks right over there. There's
Nope,
a little
nope,
thing over there. It
nope.
goes right around to the river, guys. This is the river.
Tight.
They're tight now.
Damn, stepping on it. Get off my dick, man. Is it looking better? Cut the shit out of my fucking hand.
You got the string part down, Brett?
They don't get me in there, dude.
You're already in there.
Alright, this is a minute and 30